Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Drones detect deadly virus in Arctic whale's breath. Scientists used drones to collect samples of whale blow, exhaled droplets, to study their health of wild whales. They detected a highly infectious virus called cetacean morbillivirus, which can cause mass strandings and deaths in whales, dolphins, and porpoises. This virus was found circulating above the Arctic Circle, posing a threat to marine mammals in the rapidly changing Arctic ecosystem. Collecting whale blow samples with drones is a game-changer as it allows monitoring of whale health and diseases without causing stress or harm to the animals. The researchers hope this new method will help spot deadly threats to whales and other marine life early, before the diseases start to spread widely. The priority is to continue using this technique for long-term surveillance to understand how emerging stressors will impact whale health in the coming years. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak